What's up, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. I've got another ride and review for you today. I'm going to meet the cake dealer at a new Japanese yakitori place. Yakitori, if you don't know what that is, it's like charcoal grilled meat skewers, vegetable skewers, everything, just skewer stuff. It's fun. It's close by. It's over here on Attorney Street in the Lower East Side, or Attorney Street and Stanton, I should say. I think the cross street is Attorney Street. But yeah, I'm excited to try this because I love yakitori. I think it's a fun way of eating. You know, you get to try a little bit of everything. It's usually some funky stuff too, like the bits of chicken that, like, you know, oftentimes get discarded, so it's a good way to avoid food waste. And it's always really tasty. This place opened up in, I want to say, September of 2023, so it's still relatively new. I don't think they're very well known yet. But I'm psyched because we used to have a little spot by us when we lived up in Midtown, and I kind of miss it. And now that there's one here, I'm sure that we'll be regulars, you know, assuming we like the food. So I'm just ripping across Delancey right now. A little bit of traffic, which is weird for a Sunday. I'm gonna take a right on Clinton, because I know that it's going to be between Attorney and Clinton, or Attorney and Ridge, and I know that Attorney gets like cut. It's like a cut off street. This is it right here, Attorney Street, but I know it gets cut off when there's like a school and a park in the way, and I won't be able to get all the way through to Stanton. Alright, we take this right here. Try to get in front of this bridge traffic. It's not that bad right now. It's just bad on Delancey for some reason. I got the Chimera out, giving it a good rip. I've been hitting the skate park a little bit now that the weather's nicer. Timing my visits to go early in the morning so I don't have to deal with lots of people. Yeah, you don't want it to get crowded in there. When you're trying to pull tricks and jumps, I'm learning. I'm getting back to confidence levels that I had when I was a child. All right, this is my turn here. Stand up. Let's see. Yeah, the name of this place is called TORIYA. And here it is. I will see you on the inside. 50% off. Let's go in. Okay, so TORIYA, exactly what I expected it to be. A fun bar type atmosphere, almost izakaya-ish, with really good skewers, good small bites, appetizers, really price friendly, budget friendly. Very happy with this place. I think my favorite was probably the yuzu flavored chicken thighs. They had something called chicken tenderloin too, which no idea what that is, but it was pretty good too. Just white meat. It wasn't really particularly flavorful, but it was very tender. It was not breast, because they have breast separately, so I don't know, but it was good. The chicken skin was also really good, crispy. They have a great selection of Japanese beers that you don't really see that often. Hitachino Nest, I love that beer. So, you know, jump out to the website, johnnyprimesteaks.com. Check out the full review, the full write-up, everything, all the pictures. And as always, make sure you like and subscribe. Tell your friends, tell your family, and tell your fucking grandma.